Până nu experimentezi viața la țară, nu ai de unde să știi. Chiar nu.
Sometimes it's hard to be a farmer today. That's why farmers, farming organizations, and researchers in Europe got together to look for solutions. In this series, we present 6 social innovations. Projects that help improve the mental, social, and physical well-being of farmers, their families, and communities. Let's take you on a journey to 6 stories of farmers who are doing things differently. Today we travel to Romania. Here, rural development is still a big challenge. So what do you do when you're a farming family in a community that was left behind? Meet Anka, Florentina, Bobby, and the ladies of the neighborhood of women from Saskis. How are you building a community? And what's rhubarb pie got to do with it?
Saskis was a Saxon community. We are in southeast Transylvania, in the Saxon villages area. Unfortunately, after the revolution, everything changed. You actually can see in these villages how a whole community is disappearing.
I'm so grateful that I was born in my village, in this area. I think it's where I belong.
Acum nu m-aș mai muta din localitate, să zicem, din sat, nu localitate foarte mare. Iubesc Saskizul, iubesc viața la țară, nu m-aș mai vedea să stau la bloc.
Every area have specific needs and specific traditions, and I think it's important to maintain those things.
Tell us, how did the ladies group start and why?
It was first informal. So a group of friends, we were just having the coffee together and we were planning we were thinking about how can we help this community to make from the space where we live a better one. And we started by organizing a small fest, a rhubarb fest, dedicated to the local gastronomy and the Saxon gastronomy, because we discovered that rhubarb is something very common and everybody have that in the garden. And we said, oh my God, we need to celebrate that and to show to everybody a little bit about local gastronomy.
At our events like Rhubarb Fest, everybody have something to win in the community, you know. The guest houses are full, the restaurants are full.
It is not only about eating, it's about discovering our villages, our history.
Vibrant rural communities are also future-proof communities. In Saskis, women of different generations use their skill and creativity to reinvent old traditions. This created a new community identity.
Ne întâlnim periodic și cumva vrem să înviem unele tradiții, dacă nu facem cumva schimbul de generații, în ideea că deocamdată la noi în sat, încercând cumva și tentă turistică, de promovarea gastronomiei și de toate, dacă deocamdată avem case care cumva globalizarea sau plecarea tineretului la oraș cumva a îmbătrânit lumea și oamenii, cum să spun, dacă noi ca vecinătate, ca femei tinere nu începem să mai întrebăm sau să facem din când în când, se schimbă, se uită. Eu cred că uitarea e cel mai mult.
I'm a big believer in collaboration and networking. It's important to understand that even if you would like and you are full of ideas and energy, your time is still limited and your energy is still limited. And sometimes it's wrong to try to do everything by yourself.
Local development NGOs recognize the ladies' potential to reconnect their community. Ben, can you explain how that worked out?
The community is getting together in organizing all of this. They're willing to work together and they're coming with ideas. With what can we do more? How can we help? You see that the community, the society is moving on in order to fix, to solve problems, not just waiting for the authorities to do it.
We want to develop a social restaurant, school restaurant. Some kids are abandoning the school because they don't have food. So we want to provide hot meals at the lunch, one of our most important objectives in the future.
What started out as some ladies with coffee and rhubarb pie now serves as a bright example to ladies in similar villages in Romania. Meet Maria from nearby Bod.
Suntem o alt fel de zonă, apropierea de oraș ne-a schimbat foarte mult și am pierdut ceea ce încă se păstrează aici și este extraordinar. Am venit aici un om cu niște idei, am plecat de aici cu mult mai multe idei, asta este clar. O experiență extraordinară. Am trăit-o aici, am văzut ce înseamnă din nou puterea comunității locale.
Some of the projects can be replicated. They need to find what is suitable for their communities. What we really would like to transmit is that each one of us can make a difference.
Now we are a serious partner of other organizations, and also we have the expertise to be a voice in the community.
We were in this together and we grew together and we made this a better place together.
I'm very proud when I'm speaking about my village because it's one of the examples of a very active and powerful community now.
Like Anka said, you have more impact if you do things together. And together, the ladies of Saskis are rebuilding their community. Another story that shows, although it's not always easy to live in the countryside, a burden shared really is a burden halved. Take care of each other. Feeling inspired? Go to the Farmwell project website for more information about this project and other inspiring solutions. Check out the toolkit with research, policy recommendations, and practical ideas for starting social innovations in your community. To watch more stories about farmers and their projects, click here.